Are you missing the most important thing in your business? I'm Elise. I'm a YouTube strategist and lead generator, which means I help you create visibility and generate leads for your business using video and YouTube. Today, I want to talk about how sometimes we forget what the most important thing is in our business. And short answer is it's you, but it's really about you having the support that you need in your business. And this can look like a variety of things. This might mean that you hire people to support you. This might mean that you pay a coach who's going to support you. This might mean you join something like a YouTube cohort or a business mastermind so that you have people there who will support you. It could even mean you bring together people who can be your friends and support you off of all of those things. But the most important thing in your business is having the support that you need as its owner. And so today I want to talk just briefly about how you can make that happen. So I've already given you a few examples, but I want to break those down just a little bit more. I know many business owners who join Facebook groups to find connection and get incredibly discouraged because they don't actually make a connection. Everybody is selling, everybody is trying to get their thing seen, which is okay because obviously we all want to find our ideal clients. But ultimately, at the end of the day, that does not get you the support that you're looking for. So if you're seeing this video, you are either already a member of my Facebook group or you're somewhere else on one of my other platforms that you haven't joined. Either way, this Facebook group is different because it is smaller, number one. And number two, we are all focused on video. So if you're planning to use video in your business, this is a place where you can get feedback and find other people to support you. If you're already in this group and you have not been joining in on the posts, you're missing out because these are places where people make connections, not only for themselves, but their businesses every single day. So if you're really looking for the support that you need as a business owner, this is a great place to start. And if you're really serious about using YouTube and video, the YouTube cohort is an even better place for you to find connection and get some accountability and support. Because at the end of the day, you're your business. And if you don't have the support that you need, you will not be successful. And so today I want to encourage you that you can get support in a free place or a paid place, but you need to make sure that's a top priority. I don't know about you, but I have a tendency to forget about myself and I get lost in the shuffle. And that just simply doesn't work because I'm my business and so are you. If you have any questions or if you'd love to tell me what you think the most important thing is in your business, you can drop those in the comments. That's all I have for you guys today. If you want more information about the YouTube cohort, you can go to MyScheduledBiz.com/cohort. Or if you're not already a member, you can go to Facebook.com/groups/MSBizzers to join the Fearless Entrepreneurs Facebook group where we use video to find our audience and collect leads. Guys, I'm so glad that you joined me today. I hope to see you next time. I am so glad we get to live our dreams together every single day. Bye.